Puro blessings, namaste. Mary Jig. Mary Jig. Mary Jig, Mary Jig, Mary Jig, Mary Jig, Mary Jig. I was Jig. She was Mary. We met in the middle. We both started puffing, smoking, drinking, choking, loking, smoking, and drinking. She wanted a jig saw between her legs, more like a bug saw. Either one, she said. She just wanted to get sawed down. Well, luckily I was wearing my lumberjack clothing that day. I had to break out with a chainsaw, you know what I'm saying? So you say saw it down, well, if I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it right, baby. I'm gonna split you right down the middle. What? That sounds like a razor edge. She said, I'll show you a razor. I'll show you a true razor's edge. I can skip, drip, drop, lollipop shots from a razor edge. No sweat in my game. I'll just leave you wet, 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 set, wet, set, wet, set, wet, set, wet, set, wet. Feels like a wedding day. And I don't mind weddings, man. You know, I marry them first and then figure them out. No psychic, you know. Supposedly. But it's Mary Jig. And Mary was swinging around and I was jigsawing her down. I was a merry-go-round, jigsaw, bugsaw, silly. Bugsaw, silly day. You could hear the chains going. She was huffing and puffing. I was puffing and huffing, huffing and puffing. We were both muffing each other's sound. As I entered, she was dribble trouble, sauce down her legs, man. Oh, man, I was drooling. She was drooling. I was drooling. She was drooling. I was cooling. She was cooling. I was booing. I was a cool bull that night. But she was Jig and I was Saw. I was Mary and she was tall. Jigsaw, Mary Jane. I don't give a fuck. They're both the same to me, I guess. As she stumbled, I rumbled to her. Humble stumbled, caught her in midair. I swung her around. We did the tango. I broke out with my what? My zango. Tango, mango, sango, dangle, lango, mango, tango, wango. So Jigsaw Mary Jane down, I don't want to really say, but I love it when it plays that way.